Cherie for Just Nailed It, and welcome. Today we are doing a Mickey Mouse manicure. We are doing something really easy and simple. There's kind of a lot of steps, at least in my brain, that it feels like there is. Please don't look at my hands. I've done 3 sets right before this one that I'm trying to get ahead on Charlie's nail art. They're collaborations that we do each Friday. So I've been doing 3 of those. Gonna do this one. Plus we're having a giveaway. So stay tuned to this video. Do not skip ahead. Stay tuned with us. We're gonna start with the pinky nail. I'm gonna get my dotting tool, my biggest one. And I got some red and some black. The red is by Beauty, which is P414. It is a brand I found on Amazon. They are on Instagram. Go check them out. PEWETE. Put that in your search on Instagram. You will find them. Tell them Just Nailed It sent you. So we are got, and our black is by Deep in a Bottle. So is our white. Isn't that cute? Totally doesn't make you think of Mickey. So we're going to put that in the very back of the lamp. Sorry, looking for a tissue. We're going to have a sugar nail here. We are having the Red Hollow Sugar Crush by She Modern. Unfortunately, they don't carry this anymore, so I'm one of the lucky few who does still have it. I'm going to tap, tap, tap this onto the nail. Make sure you cover your sides really well. And your tip down your center. A little goes a long way. If you want to get full coverage, rub and burnish this into the nail. Tap, 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 tap. Unfortunately, I do waste a lot of product. It is a free pouring bottle. I'm going to push this into the glue a little bit more. I think that is just stunning. I'm going to pop this back in the lamp, because that's what I do. So I'm going to talk about the giveaway as I do my nails. You're just going to have to follow along with what I'm doing. The giveaway is for anybody worldwide who is subscribed to my channel. You must be publicly subscribed, which means if I go to your channel at any given time here on YouTube and I cannot see that you are following me, subscribe to me, you're disqualified. Let me see. Okay, we're gonna do some Mickey Mouse heads. That's first and foremost. Oh, this giveaway, there are 2 winners. I will pick at random. They are going to be worldwide. Like I said, anybody in the world that is subscribed to me can enter to win. So, you must be publicly subscribed. You must be 18 years of age or older. Let's see, what else must you be? You must be following me on Instagram. I am just nailed it. You should be following me there anyways to begin with. If you are subscribed to my channel, you should be following me on Instagram, don't you think? So look up just nailed it. Okay. Alright. Let me see. I want you to share. I will have a post on Instagram, of course. I want you to share that and tag. You have to tag me, of course. But I want you to tag 3 of your nail sisters. And I need, you know, of course I need the proof, which would be tagging me. I am not responsible for items once I have mailed them. We'll make these heads lopsided there. Let's see. So let's see there. Must be publicly subscribed to my channel. Must be following me on Instagram, just.nailedit. Share my post on Instagram, tag me plus 3 nail sisters. Must be 18 years of age or older. Not responsible for the items once they are mailed out. They will be in a regular size envelope. Whoopsie. So, and I'm going to take the cardboard out of them, like this one here, this cardboard piece here, this will be taken out, just because of postage reasons and money, financial, so whatever. Whatever, hope you don't mind. Hope you don't mind. I know you wouldn't. I don't think you would. There we go. There are a bunch of little Mickey heads in all different directions. So I'm gonna pop this back in the lamp too. On here, on the index finger and the sugar nail, I have used, where is it? The glue gel by She Modern. This holds the glitter on the hollow crushed sugar glitter on the nail better. Could also use base coat. Here we are putting these itty bitty little hollow Mickey's heads on here. These are off of Charlie's. So I have got glue gel on here to hold these on. Let's see. So good luck everyone. You may enter. Tell your mother, your brother, your sister, anybody who you think would be into designer nail stickers. So that's what they are. It's like Louis Vuitton. I think it's Supreme. We're going to put that in the lamp because for the nail stickers, I'm going to be using these. I got these off AliExpress. I think these are really super cute. I don't remember how much they cost, unfortunately. I don't have the link super handy. Maybe the time I put the video up, I'll have a link for it. I don't know. I'm not going to promise. It's a huge maybe. Let me go this route. Whoops. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Well, this is a whoopsie, alright. I can't get it up off the sheet. Oh my, I've never had this happen before. Never had this happen before. This is a fake decal. And I don't want to rip it. And it just ripped. Shoot. Yeah, these are some pretty big stickers. Well, this one is, they're thick. But I want to try and get this up without it ripping. On this bottom portion here we got a little bit of a problem. Just a wee bit. So I'm trying to be really super careful. Trying to be really super careful. So good luck everyone that is going to enter. Please spread the word. Remember, you must share my post, my video. You can screenshot the video. However you want to do it. I'm putting these in the lamp for just like a quick here on some of them. I'm going to pause and I'll be right back. I'm now going to top coat each one of the nails, but I want to add one last rule. You must be following BRC Nails. She is here on YouTube. She is on Instagram as well. She is where the designer nail stickers came from off of her website. So I would like you to follow her as well. So when whoever the two winners are, you must provide proof of this. So make sure you've got it screenshotted and you are following her prior or subscribe to her prior. But yeah. So, here's going to tell if you're paying attention. Because, you know, this is at the tail end of the video. And the other rules are in the middle. Or the beginning. Somewhere like that. So I'm going to pop these in the lamp to give these a full cure, which means a full 60 seconds. We are back, fresh out of the lamp. I'm going to show you each nail individually. I think these all turned out super cute. These I did put 2 layers of top coat on. I did top coat with you, or without you, off camera. Sorry about that. And here's the sugar nail, of course. Isn't that stunning? I think the sugar nail is just beautiful. And last but not least, here is my Mickey Mouse manicure for today. Please give me a like so I know that you like the content of my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell, the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and any information I think you may find useful. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think and what your thoughts are. Don't forget to enter the giveaway after you have completed all of said rules. And don't forget the extra one that was added at the end. Put done. Enter me, the country in which you are from. Don't forget, follow all the rules. Good luck, everyone. Have a blessed day, and thank you.